She has a doll.
She has a doll.
The sun is hot.
The sun is hot.
The bird can fly.
The bird can fly.
The apple is red.
The apple is red.
She has a blue bag.
She has a blue bag.
He is drinking milk.
He is drinking milk.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
She is brushing her hair.
She is brushing her hair.
He is wearing a hat.
He is wearing a hat.
They are playing with a ball.
They are playing with a ball.
I'm in the car.
I'm in the car.
My dad is reading a book.
My dad is reading a book.
The fish swims in the water.
The fish swims in the water.
I like ice cream.
I like ice cream.
The cat is on the chair.
The cat is on the chair.
The baby is sleeping now.
The baby is sleeping now.
I like to paint.
I like to paint.
The baby is crying.
The baby is crying.
I am happy.
I am happy. The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue. Grass is green.
Grass is green.
The moon is bright.
The moon is bright.
It is sunny.
It is sunny.
It is cold today.
It is cold today.
The puppies are playing with a ball.
The puppies are playing with a ball.
The flower is red.
The flower is red.
The tree is tall.
The tree is tall.
It is raining.
It is raining.
Stars are in the sky.
Stars are in the sky.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Please help me.
Please help me.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Let's be kind.
Let's be kind.
I love you.
I love you.
The dog is under the table.
The dog is under the table.
I see a bird in the sky.
I see a bird in the sky.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I do my homework.
I do my homework. I go to school. I go to school. I play with my friends. I play with my friends. She is my friend.
She is my friend. I love my mom.
I love my mom.
This is my dad.
This is my dad.
I have one sister.
I have one sister. He is my brother. He is my brother.
Grandma bakes cookies.
Grandma bakes cookies.
Grandpa tells stories.
Grandpa tells stories.
My family is big.
My family is big.
I help my parents.
I help my parents.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I love my teacher.
I love my teacher.
I sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
I write with a pencil.
I write with a pencil.
I read books.
I read books.
We sing a song.
We sing a song. I learn English. I learn English.
I color the picture.
I color the picture.
The bell rings.
The bell rings.
School is fun.
School is fun.
The dog barks.
The dog barks. The cat is cute.
The cat is cute. I see a bird.
I see a bird.
The cow says moo.
The cow says moo.
The lion is strong.
The lion is strong. A frog jumps.
A frog jumps. The fish swims.
The fish swims.
I feed the rabbit.
I feed the rabbit.
Monkeys love bananas.
Monkeys love bananas.
I saw a zebra.
I saw a zebra.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I eat rice.
I eat rice.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate.
I eat with a spoon.
I eat with a spoon.
Bananas are yellow.
Bananas are yellow.
My lunch is yummy.
My lunch is yummy. The star is shiny.
The star is shiny. My shirt is orange.
My shirt is orange. There are 5 apples.
There are 5 apples. I have 2 eyes.
I have 2 eyes. It is 10 o'clock.
It is 10 o'clock. I see 8 birds.
I see 8 birds.
My bag has 3 books.
My bag has 3 books.
She is 6 years old.
She is 6 years old.
There are 4 chairs.
There are 4 chairs.
The ball is round.
The ball is round. The box is square.
The box is square. I love noodles.
I love noodles.
I ride my bicycle.
I ride my bicycle.
I feel sick.
I feel sick.
She blows bubbles.
She blows bubbles.
I relax.
I relax. I pet my cat.
I pet my cat.
Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.